Thank you very much for having this session this spring. It's always interesting to see what everybody's doing and get to meet many of the students that we don't normally get to meet. If you need to find me, I'm in the nosebleed section, up on the third floor, right across from Tiger Stadium. So nosebleeds and nosebleeds. Currently, I have some students that I'm working with, Luke Sawyer. He is being co-advised by Dr. Dubravko Justic and myself, and then I'm on these three other committees, Jill, Sophie, and Hannah. My primary collaborations in the department are with Gene Turner on land-ocean interactions, Dubravko Justic with hypoxia modeling. He's the modeler, I supply the data. New to our group is Cassie Glaspie. She was the co-chief scientist, became the chief scientist of our summer cruise last year, and she's going to be involved in all of them from now on, I hope. And then you just heard from Dr. Mike Polito, and I have a small portion of one of the food web studies. If you're going to try to find me anywhere in the field, these are my two preferred environments. Offshore continental shelf waters, and which are pea green with algae. I'm taking a water sample next to a deployed oxygen meter to calibrate the chlorophyll probe in the meter. And here I'm doing my other love, which is in the mud, in the marsh, sifting organisms out of a mud sample. And these all feed into various research projects. Dr. Glaspie mentioned this. This is what we do in the summer on the research vessel Pelican, which you can see here in the upper left. This is to monitor and research the low oxygen area in the Gulf of Mexico that extends from the Mississippi River water west across the shelf and into Texas waters. And it's also more frequently found now off of the Mississippi coast. The instrument, the workhorse of the program is this CTD, conductivity, temperature, and depth instrument with Niskin bottles attached to the surface frame or the upper frame, and the data package is below, and we get a tremendous amount of information off of these. We also can't stay away from the mud. We also work in the mud and look at the organisms that live in the sediments offshore related to low oxygen. And I've mentioned this. And then we also have instruments we take water samples from the Niskin bottles to do various things. This summer, we'll have a guest scientist who's looking at methanogenesis, microbial methanogenesis. And you can always come up to the nosebleed section and see me. Thank you very much.